All right, what's up, guys? It's Khalil back with another US30 analysis and price predictions. So, to recap what we saw last week, as we discussed before, we got that previous reverse head and shoulders for candlestick formation formed on the higher time frame, came up to retest 34,900, and then what we did want to see from there was us to clear that entire range to 35,500, which is exactly what occurred. As we retested that previous high, we priced in the IMF meeting discussing rate hikes and dropped a huge 1,500 points, breaking below 34,200 and out of this huge zone that we were in for the previous couple weeks. Came back down to retest 33,500. Let me show you what happened on more time frame. Okay, so we came back down to retest 33,500 flat, failed to break, and as sellers took profits, we created a consolidation in zone and order block, rejecting this level, came back up to correct the hawkish news and retest 34K flat. As I discussed on my TradingView analysis, which you'll be able to see on TradingView, I'll also attach it to this video. We wanted to create a little supply zone, picking up more sell orders between 34K and 34,200, which we did see. Break below 34K, which we did, and then came back up to retest and continue to clear that entire range, that 500 pip point range, back down to 33,500. So what we want to see from here is for price to either come back, reject this 33,500 level and come back up to retest 34K before sells continue below 33,500, or what we would likely see is for price to come back, retest 33,500 and break below for continued sells. As the bias is still very, very bearish and the fear, uncertainty, and doubt from the IMF sentiment is still in play, it is likely we'll get these breaks below. And for safer sells from this, we'd want to see a break below 33,400. As May is typically a very bearish month, overall bias on US30 is still very bullish. Like I said, we could come back, retest 34K before dropping. But overall, what I want to see is for sells to play out to 33K flat. And then from there, we could potentially get a retest of, we could potentially get a retest of the previous lows from the start of March being 32,400. Make sure you guys are trading smart. And I'm going to say it one more time, but sells are only valid once we get a closure below 33,500. I will be back to update you guys on what happened in the markets, as well as discuss what occurs the rest of the week. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.